I'm sorry to hear about what happened to your grandpa, man, but a lot of people, they don't want to believe me when it comes to these torsion springs on these garage doors. These torsion springs at the top, the more you wind them, the more power they're going to hold. So those are connected all the way on a tube to the cables that run down alongside your garage door. Overall, if you loosen the wrong bolt, the cables can just pop off and swing and just hit you right in the face, hit you in the body, causing damage. Or if they're unscrewing the screws on the springs at the top, they can smash their hand. I had somebody else message me that happened to her husband, and he had to go to the hospital and almost lost his hand. So I make my videos to talk about my journey, talk about this, how to be safe when doing these things, or what things to look out for when doing repairs. Overall, when it comes to garage door springs breaking, I usually recommend calling a professional. And it's not just to say, oh, I want job security, I want people to call me. I mean, that'd be awesome, but I want you to be safe.